Struggling to keep your plants warm during cold months? You're definitely not alone. Here are the 5 best greenhouse heaters I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Drio Space Heater. The Drio Space Heater caught my eye with its sleek design and affordable price of $35.99. If you want quick, efficient heat for your greenhouse, this is worth a serious look. This heater boasts a powerful 1500W PTC heating system, perfect for delivering warmth in seconds. It's designed to enhance air circulation up to 200% farther than typical heaters. That means if you're worried about those chilly drafts, this heater can blast them away efficiently. Plus, it includes features like a remote control, adjustable temperature settings from 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and safety measures like overheat protection and a tilt detection sensor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It ensures that your plants stay cozy without the risk of overheating or oxidants. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy at 34 decibels. Here's the thing though, for a powerful heater, the noise level is pretty standard, and if you're using it in a greenhouse, you probably won't mind it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something portable and efficient for smaller spaces. Skip this one if you need a heater for a large greenhouse, since it might not cover extensive areas effectively. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the Drio's noise level concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for quiet operation. Product number 2, the LH UK SGF Greenhouse Heater, priced at $89.99. What stood out to me was its digital thermostat, which makes it super easy to manage your temperature needs. If you want precise heat control for your greenhouse, this one deserves your attention. This heater is powerful with a heating output of 5118 BTU, covering up to 150 square feet. It features a digital thermostat that allows you to set a temperature range between 40 Fahrenheit and 108 Fahrenheit, shutting off automatically once the desired temp is reached. This is crucial for preventing overheating, a huge concern for delicate plants. The heater is also designed to be portable with a non-slip handle, making it convenient for moving around your space. Here's why this matters for you. It can keep your plants thriving all winter long without the constant worry of fluctuating temperatures. On the downside, one reviewer noted that it takes a while to heat up a larger greenhouse, but honestly, for smaller areas, it heats up pretty quickly, so it's not really a deal breaker unless you have a massive space. This is the right choice if you're looking for reliable temperature control in a smaller greenhouse. Skip this one if you have a larger area to heat, as it might not be enough. It's a solid investment for its features. Now, if you need something even more robust for larger spaces, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 3, DuraHeat EUH1465 Electric Forced Air Heater, which comes in at $54.41. I was impressed by its rugged steel construction, making it quite durable. If you need a sturdy heater for rugged environments, this is a great option. This model delivers a solid 1500 W of heating and can effectively cover up to 250 square feet, making it ideal for garages or smaller greenhouses. You can choose between heat and fan-only settings, giving you flexibility depending on the season. The built-in adjustable thermostat means you can control the temperature precisely, which is super important for plant health. And with overheat protection, you can feel safe leaving it running. Here's why this matters. It combines versatility with safety, ensuring your plants get the warmth they need without risks. However, some users found it a bit bulky, which can be a hassle if space is tight. But let's be real, its durability and efficiency make it worth it for those who need a reliable heating solution. This is perfect for you if you're working in rugged spaces or need a tough heater. Skip this one if you want something compact, as it may take up more space than you'd like. It's a good value considering the quality. If you're looking for something specifically designed for greenhouse use, the next heater offers some unique features. Product number 4, SmurderCon Greenhouse Heater. The SmurderCon Greenhouse Heater priced at $89.99. What caught my attention was its auto temperature control feature, which makes it super convenient. If you want a hassle-free heating experience for your plants, this is worth a look. This heater heats up in just 3 seconds and can effectively warm spaces up to 120 square feet. It features both heating and ventilation functions, allowing you to keep your plants warm in winter and cool in summer, which is a huge bonus. It's made with fireproof materials and has an independent overheat protection system. Here's why this matters for you. It ensures that your plants get consistent care throughout the year without worrying about manual temperature control. However, a few users mentioned it could be less effective in larger spaces. Here's the thing though, it's designed for smaller areas, so if you're using it in the right context, it performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you want an energy-efficient option that can adapt to both seasons. Skip this one if you have a larger greenhouse, as it's better suited for smaller spaces. It offers great value for those specific needs. Now, if you want a more traditional heater with solid performance, the next one on our list may be just what you need. Number 5 is the Dr. Infrared Heater DR218, available for $94.50. I was drawn to its straightforward design and focused functionality. If you simply want a reliable heater that gets the job done, this is definitely worth considering. This heater operates at 1500 watts and is designed to keep spaces of up to 150 square feet warm. The IPX4 rated structure means it's splash resistant, which is a great feature for greenhouse use. It's lightweight, making it easy to move around and requires little maintenance. Here's why this matters. It's perfect for ensuring your plants stay warm without complicating your setup. One downside is that it only has one heating setting, which might not appeal to everyone. But honestly, if you just want consistent warmth without fuss, that simplicity can be a huge asset. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense heating solution for your greenhouse. Skip this one if you prefer adjustable settings, as it may not cater to those needs. It's reasonably priced given its reliability. Alright, that wraps up my top 5 greenhouse heaters. Each one has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you. To recap, we had the DREO space heater for efficiency, the LHUCK SGF for digital control, the DuraHeat for durability, the SmarterCon for convenience, and the DR infrared heater for simplicity. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the LHUCK SGF greenhouse heater because it offers the best temperature control for your plants. I'd recommend avoiding the DR infrared heater if you need more settings for versatility.